Happy morning, my dear students. Welcome to my channel Active Mathematics. Now I would like to discuss today some important questions of the coordinate geometry, which are very important from your board examination point of view. Okay, let us see. If the point P x comma y is equal distance from point phi comma 1 and minus 1 comma 5, prove that three x is equal to 2y. See the question. What the question says, point Pxy is equal distance from the point 5 comma 1 and minus 1 comma 5, prove that 3x is equal to 2y. Okay, let us see. First, what you will do, first you will find PA. Suppose this point is A and this point is B. So first you will find PA and then you will find PB and make them equal. Let us see. PA is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square. I am going to apply here the distance between 2 points. It means x2 minus x1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, x1 y1, x2 y2. Or you can apply x1 y1, x2 y2. A minus b whole square is the same as b minus a whole square. It doesn't make difference. So PA is equal to x minus 5 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square. It means PA is equal to under root of this x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So PA is equal to under root a minus b whole square. It means x square a square minus 2ab. 2 into a into b. So 2 into x into 5. It means minus 10x. So a square minus 2ab plus b square means 25. And now here plus a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it will be y square minus 2y plus 1. This is your PA. Okay. Now you will find PB. So PB is equal to under root xy is the point and this is point x1 y1 you can take, this is point x2 y2 because this point is B. Now you can find PB also. So x and minus into bracket minus 1. So x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Y minus 5 whole square. Now it will be, so PB is equal to under root x plus 1 whole square. It means a plus b whole square you can write. So x square plus 2x plus 1 and here y minus 5 whole square. It means y square minus 10y plus 25. This is your PB. PB is equal to a plus b whole square. What is your a? X. B is 1. A square plus 2ab plus b square. It means x square plus 2x plus 1 and now it is a minus b whole square. It means a square, a is y and b is 5. So y square minus 10y plus 25. Now according to the question, these are equal. It means they are equidistant from the point. Now you can compare PN and PB. And what you have to prove? 3x is equal to 2y. Let us see. So PA is equal to this. It means under root x square minus 10x plus 25 plus y square minus 2y plus 1. This is your PA and is equal to PB means this one. PB will be under root x square plus 2x 1 plus 25 plus 26 x square plus y square plus 26. Then this is 2x and this is minus 10y. Okay, now squaring on both sides. So it will be x square minus 10x plus 25 plus 1 26 plus y square minus 2y is equal to x square and y square will also be there. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 26 minus 10y. Now x square will be cancelled, y square will be cancelled, plus 26 will be cancelled. Now this is minus 10x minus 2y is equal to 2x minus 10y. Now minus 10x, transfer this here. So minus 10x minus 2x is equal to minus 10y plus 2y. So minus 10 minus 2 means minus 12x is equal to minus 8y. Now you can divide by 4. So 4 is a minus 4. So it will be 3x is equal to 2y. Minus minus will get cancelled and 4 is a 12, 4 to the. It means 3x is equal to 2y. Let us see, I am going to explain here again. Minus 12x is equal to minus 8y. Minus minus cancel. Now you can divide by 4. So 4 is a 12 is equal to 4 to the. It means 3x is equal to 2y. It is a very good question. Okay, from exam point of view. Now one more question. Next question is determine the ratio in which the line 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 divides the line segment the points 1, 3 and 2, 7. 1, 3 and 2, 7 and 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. Let us see how to solve this question. Determine the ratio in which the line 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 divide the line segment joining these 2 points. Okay, it means you have to find the ratio. So what you will do, just assume that the ratio is 3:4. Sorry, x is to y, or you can take, let the ratio is k:1. Okay, let ratio is k:1. In this type of questions, what you have to consider, let the ratio is k:1 and determine the ratio in which the line 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0 divide the line segment joining the point these 2 points. Okay, let the ratio is k:1. So what you will find, just you find the value of x and y first. So x is equal to m1 x2. m1 is k into x2. x1 y1 x2 y2. x1 y1 x2 y2 into 2 plus 1 into x1 is 1. m1 x2, this is m1 m2. m1 x2 plus m2 x1, 1 into x1 is 1 upon k plus 1. So x is equal to 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1. Okay, now find the value of y. So y is equal to m1 y2. m1 is k into y2 is 7 plus m1 y2 plus m2 y1, 1 into y1 is 3 upon m1 plus m2. It means k plus 1. Okay, so y is equal to 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1. This is the value of y. And equation is given to you 3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0. (3x plus y minus 9 equal to 0). So in place of x you can put 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1. So 3 into bracket, value of x is this, 2k plus 1 upon k plus 1 plus y into bracket 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1 minus 9 upon 9, you can write 9 upon 1 equal to 0. Okay, let us see. Now you can multiply by 3 inside first. So 6k plus 3 upon k plus 1 plus 7k plus 3 upon k plus 1 minus 9 upon 1 equal to 0. Now take the LCM. LCM is k plus 1. k plus 1 से k plus 1 को डिवाइड करेंगे 1 into this 6k plus 3 plus k plus 1 से k plus 1 को डिवाइड करना 1 into this 7k plus 3. Now 1 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो k plus 1 and k plus 1 into minus 9 means minus 9k minus 9 equal to 0. And when you will transfer k plus 1 here, so 0 into k plus 1 becomes 0. Six k plus 7k 13k. 3 plus 3 6. 6k plus 7k 13k minus 9k is also there. 3 plus 3 6 minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so 9 minus 4 means 13 minus 9 means 4k. 6 minus 9 means minus 3 equal to 0. So 4k is equal to 3. So k is equal to 3 upon 4. It means the ratio is 3 upon 4. I hope this is clear to you. Good. It means k is equal to 3 upon 4. This is the answer. Whenever you are getting this type of question, just you assume let the ratio is k is to 1 and then solve. The answer is k is equal to 3 upon 4. Now one more question. This is question number 1 of exercise 7.4 NCERT. Question 1 of exercise 7.4. 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. And the points are given to you. A is 2 comma minus 2, and B is 3 comma 7. And the same thing you have to do, you have to find the ratio. This is question number 1 of exercise 7.4. Let ratio is k is to 1. It means first you will find x. So x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So m1 means k into x2 means 3 plus m2 x1 1 into x1 is 2 upon k plus 1. So x is equal to 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. So x is equal to 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. Now find y. So y is equal to m1 y2. m1 is k into y2 is 7 plus m1 is 1 into y1 is minus 2 upon k plus 1. So is equal to y is equal to 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. Again see, x is equal to m1 x2. m1 is k, m1 x2 3 plus m2 1 into x1 is 2. So 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. y is equal to m1 y2. k y2 is 7 plus m2 is 1. y1 is minus 2 upon k plus 1. It means 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. Now the equation is 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So in place of x you can put here 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. So 2 into bracket 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1 bracket close plus y into bracket 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Now you can multiply by 2. 6k plus 4 upon k plus 1 plus 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1 minus 4 upon 1 equal to 0. So LCM is k plus 1. So 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 and minus, now 1 divides k plus 1, so k plus 1 into 4 and a minus 4k minus 4 equal to 0. और जब k plus 1 इसमें चले जाएगा into में तो k plus 1 into 0 becomes 0. सिक्स के प्लस 7k 13k minus 4k 6k, this is 6k 7k 13k minus 4k. Now 4 minus 2 means 2 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 you can cancel. Okay, now minus 2 equal to 0. 13 minus 4k means 9k minus 2 equal to 0. So 9k minus 2 equal to 0. So 9k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 upon 9. Hence the ratio is k is equal to 2 upon 9. Okay. The answer is k is equal to 2 upon 9. Right. Now, I am just telling you, even it may not be in your syllabus for this examination in 2021, the area of the triangle by coordinate geometry, but still I am teaching you to clear your basic concepts, that how to find the area of triangle and how to show the points are collinear. बेटा ज्यादा पढ़ने में कोई नुकसान तो नहीं है ना. Let us see how to find the area of triangle. Okay, or when you have to show the points are collinear, it means you will show that area of triangle is equal to 0. If 3 points are given to you, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, these are the 3 points. And now if you have to find the area of the triangle by coordinate geometry, see the formula is 1 by 2 absolute value. Why I am writing here absolute value? Because area of triangle cannot be negative. I am just telling you how to learn the formula. What you will do, आप लोग क्या लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट x इंटू ब्रैकेट आप लिख दो y माइनस वाई. ये तो बहुत इजी है लिखना. x इंटू वाई माइनस वाई प्लस x इंटू वाई माइनस वाई प्लस x इंटू वाई माइनस वाई, x इंटू वाई माइनस वाई प्लस x इंटू वाई माइनस वाई प्लस x इंटू वाई माइनस वाई. 1 by 2. फार्मूला याद करने का तरीका बता रहा हूं. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू राइट इन द साइक्लिक ऑर्डर. 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. See 1 2 3 then 2 3 1 then 3 1 2. तो हाउ टू राइट द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, देखो कितना इजी तरीका है. 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 1 2. सबसे पहले आप लिख दो 1 by 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट x इंटू ब्रैकेट y माइनस वाई प्लस x इंटू ब्रैकेट y माइनस वाई प्लस x इंटू ब्रैकेट y माइनस वाई. नाउ हाउ टू राइट द फार्मूला. अब ये 1 1 2 3, ये 1 x1 इंटू ब्रैकेट y2 माइनस y3, ये हो गया. x2 इंटू ब्रैकेट y3 माइनस y1, ये हो गया. x2 इंटू ब्रैकेट y3 माइनस y1. और तीसरा x3 इंटू ब्रैकेट y1 माइनस y2. तो ये आपका फार्मूला हो गया एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल का. हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. 1 by 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट x1 इंटू ब्रैकेट y2 माइनस y3 प्लस x2 इंटू ब्रैकेट y3 माइनस y1 प्लस x3 इंटू ब्रैकेट y1 माइनस y2. बाय चांस कभी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ गया मान लो कि हाउ टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, तो आप ये फार्मूला लगा सकते हैं. एंड नाउ इफ यू हैव टू शो द पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर, तो यू विल शो द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 0. If the area of triangle is equal to 0, then you can say the points are collinear. Points are collinear means क्या? The points which are in a straight line are called collinear points, and the points which are not in a straight line are called non-collinear points. I hope this is clear to you. It means the area of triangle is equal to 0. Then you will tell the points are collinear. Is this clear to everyone? Good. तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 इंटू ब्रैकेट x1 इंटू ब्रैकेट y2 माइनस y3 x2 इंटू ब्रैकेट y3 माइनस y1 x3 इंटू ब्रैकेट y1 माइनस y2. ये एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. दैट इज व्हाई आई एम राइटिंग दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. इट कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. ओके, नाउ टुमारो यू विल गेट माय लेक्चर अबाउट द ट्रायंगल्स. इट मीन्स सिमिलरिटी. ओके, thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.